Hello traders! In this video, we will explain how the maximum daily loss trading objective works. We have developed this trading objective so that traders can become experienced risk managers with the habits of professional traders. So, what is the maximum daily loss? Instead of describing just the theory, I will start straight with the example so you can fully understand it. We could call this trading objective Trader's Daily Stop Loss. For a normal risk account type, the limit is set at 5%, and for the aggressive risk type, the limit is increased to 10% of the initial balance. Let's say the normal risk with 5% for instance. If you have a $200,000 FTMO account, you must never exceed the total equity loss of $10,000 in one day. That means if you had a losing streak and the total loss would result in minus $8,000 in one trading day, your permitted loss for the rest of the day would be $2,000 before exceeding the limit. Now, bear in mind that the maximum daily loss works with your equity, and therefore both floating losses and your closed positions are included in the calculation. Also, please note that the maximum daily loss resets at midnight Central European Time. Let's say you had a great start of the week and your Monday trading session resulted in a close profit of $4,000. Your maximum permitted loss for the rest of the day is now at $14,000. If you would now open a new trade, which would go into a $13,000 floating loss, then up until 11:59 p.m., you would still be staying within the limit because, as mentioned previously, your permitted loss for the rest of the day would be $14,000. However, as I said, the maximum daily loss resets at midnight Central European Time. So at 12 a.m. on Tuesday, your permitted loss is by default reset to $10,000. If you would be still carrying the $13,000 floating loss, you would exceed the limit as the profits made on the previous day no longer count in the new day. So, let's summarize the facts. The maximum daily loss resets at midnight Central European Time, which means you should use the FTMO time zone converter to know when exactly does the max daily loss reset in your local time. So, let's open a time zone converter here and let's pick Tokyo time for example, which is a GMT plus 9 time zone. Now, as we can see, the maximum daily loss limit will reset exactly at 7 a.m. Tokyo time. Alright traders, now that we've cleared all the details, you should be able to fully understand this trading objective. Take your risk management seriously, trade safe, and I'll see you next time.